Never let your aluminum cave in. There's a good reason for that. The rod has a special flux on it, and it won't let the aluminum cave in. Now this is a piece of aluminum pipe, and let's weld this pipe together. Like I say, I don't know anything about welding aluminum, but even with this rod, even I can weld aluminum. Now I'm slow, but torch work goes pretty slow anyway. But you see, I hadn't let any aluminum cave in. No aluminum's going to cave in. But it's not anything that I know. It's just an amazing rod that anyone can weld with and be a success every time without fail. You can see how it's going right in there. It's the aluminum isn't caving. Isn't that something? Welded with the aluminum doesn't cave in. But I sell this rod with a satisfaction guarantee. If you ever buy any, you don't like it for any reason, you send it back and I'll refund your money, no problem. But I have another video on YouTube where I showed how to weld aluminum. It was a different piece of aluminum, but this is a piece of pipe. You can see it's really welded. It's not just glued together. It's welded with an aluminum welding rod that anyone can use and be a success on the very first try. Like I say, I sell this with a satisfaction guarantee. You buy some of this rod and you don't like it for any reason, you send it back to me. I'll refund your money, no problem. No problem. Anyway, you can see it's welded. I can't turn it around there because it's hot, but you can see it's welded. See if I can turn it over here. Anyway, you can see it's welded. Anyone can use that rod. I don't care whether you ever welded any aluminum before in your whole life. Maybe you've tried it sometime and you really did let it cave in, and you thought, oh well, it's impossible to weld aluminum with a torch. Well, it's not impossible when you have the right rod.